Hi guys, welcome to Grow Wealth. My name is Nevu. Today I'm going to be talking about the various ways in which you can make money from crypto. Yes, how to cash out from crypto markets. Before I start, I want to ask you to support the channel by clicking the subscribe button, clicking the bell notification, and clicking all. Subscribe button, bell notification, and all. Thank you. Let's get started. The first way you can make money from this market is by just buying and holding, right? So let's look at the Bitcoin chart, right? So this is a monthly chart of the Bitcoin. If you bought Bitcoin anytime in 2020, you'll be in profit. So if you had held Bitcoin for like since April 2020, it was around $7,000. Currently is at so you have 400%. You'll be in 400% profit. This is quite huge. Many even real estate projects not even give you this. And if you making 400% in 2 years or so, you will have outperformed the S&P index. You will have outperformed many fund managers, right? Let's look at another project, Phantom. See this Phantom project here. Even though that it dropped by almost 94%, but even people that bought at this peak, over 6,500%. So the key here is find reputable projects, buy them and hold them for long term, and then take out your profits. Another thing I want to add here is that it's not just that easy, right? So there are also drawbacks to it. There are projects that will not do well. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. This project, Pancake Bunny, when it came out, it was talk of the town, right? Even Binance invested in this project, but currently this project is down by over 99.85%. What this means is that if you put in $100 here, you have about 20 cents. If you put in 1,000 naira, if you put in, let's say, 100 naira, you have like 20 kobo. So you can make money, you can lose money, right? Just like everything in life. But the key thing here, if you focus on the top 20 projects and just buy and hold them, chances are that you are going to make money from it. Also, the key also here, and that key also here, is that you should kind of diversify, right? Don't just put all your eggs in one basket. Just spread it among the various assets. Second way you can make money is by trading. So trading is like buying and holding, but difference is that you're going to be holding for a very short amount of time. So let's look at Bitcoin here now. I can decide to buy Bitcoin, hold it for 1 hour, and then sell. So this is the Bitcoin chart. Remember that some people bought Bitcoin here and they sold around here. That is like 5% in less than 1 hour, 24 hours, right? Now, for you to be successful as a trader, you have to know how to do technical analysis. That's basically how to read charts. Remember that in trading you can go long. That's you are betting that the price will go up. And you can also go short. You are betting that the price will go down. For instance, there have been people that have been shorting Bitcoin from around here. So they will have made almost 30% profit. So that's another way of making money with crypto, by trading it. But remember that over 90% of retail traders will lose their money. Next way of making money is by mining cryptocurrency. Um, let's go to Bitcoin mining rig. So let's see a Bitcoin mining farm. So let me just play the short video for you. Skip. So
we'll get lucky.
So see the equipment, right? So basically mining is just all about validating transactions and also securing the network. For doing that, the network will reward with Bitcoin, which you can sell in the open market and make some money. Now, to be successful as a miner, you have to have cheap source of electricity. Also, you should be able to use good hardware, and also you should know how to maintain the hardware, right? Having these things and having the initial startup cost, you are going to make it as a miner. The next way of making money from cryptocurrency is by what we call staking. So there are two different kinds of staking. There are some cryptocurrencies that use what we call proof of stake, and there are some that use proof of work. So Bitcoin is proof of work. You have to buy specialized equipment to mine it. But if you are doing proof of stake, you don't need to buy those equipment. You just have to stake your cryptocurrency. Then the miners will use it to validate transactions, right? And they will give you a certain percentage of what they make. That way you make some passive income. And that kind of staking is just some currencies who want to incentivize long-term holding, and they'll create what we call staking pools. So let's look at Pancake Swap. So go to pancakeswap.finance. You come to earn, you go to pools. So here I can stake cake. If I stake cake in a year, I'll make 64%. If I stake high, this is what I'll make. So I can stake any of these currencies and make some money. Here, the key requirement for success is that the currency you're staking, remember that it can also go up in value, it can go down in value. If it goes up in value, you make more money, but if it goes down in value, you may tend to be at a loss. The another way of making money, remember we've done mining, we've done buying and holding, we've done trading, we've done staking. Now let's go to yield farming. Yield farming is like staking, but basically what you do is that you provide liquidity. When traders trade, the exchange will now give a certain percentage of the fees they earn, right? So just imagine that you go to Binance to buy coin. Binance have some coins they are selling there also, and also people also go there to sell their coins. Now people that sell, when they sell, they are charged a fee. You that buy also, you are charged a fee. Now if you provide liquidity, that fee, you tend to get a certain part of that fee. So there are a lot of exchanges in which you can provide liquidity as yield farming. So if you come here, farms, so you can see cake BNB. Also here, you can also provide stable coins. Stable coins are like pegged to the dollar, and you make some so like this is a stable coin. If you provide it, you make 4.7% in a year, which is quite a lot compared to the traditional market. Then here also you make USDC BUSD, you make like 5.5%. Also you can, there's this site Remitano, you can provide liquidity here. You can also provide, I think I can provide Naira here. Let me check. Okay, you can provide Naira here. Okay, let me check. I think I can provide Naira. Okay, you can provide Naira as a liquidity pool here, but you can also provide these other currencies and make some profit out of it. Now, the next way of making money is by lending. That's, you have, let's say you have some stable coin that you don't really want to use, you can give it to traders. They'll borrow it from you, they'll trade, and also they'll pay you back your money with interest. Now, lending is a bit low risk because the borrowers are going to deposit collateral. So let's go to a lending platform. So let's go to Cream Finance, app.cream.finance. So if you supply liquidity here, so let me even give an example for you. Can supply liquidity here. If I supply, I don't want to do it here now, but if you supply it, I'll make it 4.23% out of this, right? But the risk here is that this Cream can be hacked. In fact, Cream has been hacked before, and you lose the risk of losing your money. But there are still safer bets if you want to do lending. You can go to KuCoin loan, and lend out your stable coins. Next way of making money from crypto is by doing what we call crypto peer-to-peer. That's exchanges that provides opportunity for people to buy and sell among themselves. So the number one crypto peer-to-peer is like is local Bitcoin. You can also go to Remitano. It's a peer-to-peer market. You can buy dollar, I can buy Bitcoin, I can buy a lot of cryptocurrencies. I can buy a lot of them. Also Binance, I can buy it. So there are merchants. So let me give you an instance of who a merchant is. This guy Festico. He has traded 184 Bitcoin. That is his trading volume. So this is roughly around so let me show you. So 184 times 42,000. So this $7.7 million in trade volume. And this guy has been doing this for the past 5 years. So imagine even if he makes let's say make 0.03% out of this transaction divided by 100. No, it's going to be more than that. Let's say he makes, so 184 times 42,000. Let's say he makes like 1%. So that's $7,280 divided by 5. You're trading for 5 years. That's $15,456 times, let's say 500. So in a year he's making like 7.7 million naira. If I divide it by 12, that's making like 640,000 naira a month, which is a good deal, right? Next way we can make money is by playing game. So if we go to, there's this site called Axie Infinity. So before I even go there, let me show you a lot of crypto games. CoinGeek. Go to categories. Go to play to earn. So you can see a lot of crypto games, a lot of them. Playing this, you make money. I know some people that this is what they do full time, and they make a decent amount of money. Next way you can cash out of this market is by doing what we call arbitrage. So cryptocurrency is volatile, right? And they trade at different prices in different exchanges. So let's look at Bitcoin. Okay, I don't like this. Let me use this. Let me look at Bitcoin here. So let's see all the markets. Here, Bitcoin is trading at $42,000. I can look for a site where it's trading at a premium, an exchange. It's 42,000. So here it's 42,100, but if I go down further, I may be able to see okay, let me leave Bitcoin. To trade this, you have to look for a coin that it's not that liquid. Let me check this coin, Algorand. So here it's trading at $1.40. Here it's at $1.42. So I can, here's $1.40. So if I move like 50,000 worth of Algorand, so 1.40 minus 1.40, so 0.02. Let's say if I move $100,000 worth of this, I'll make $2,000, and this will happen in less than 5 minutes. I can do it in there. But of course, you have fees to pay. You have and then you also have the liquidity, right? But the people that is what they specialize in, they just find arbitrage opportunities and cash out of it. To show you that crypto arbitrage bots. So there are bots that can tell you. There are bots that can tell you scan exchanges and give you and let you know when they are arbitrage. In fact, some bots are so efficient that they even calculate factor fees for you. But remember, this thing lasts within minutes, right? So you have to be very, very fast and exploit it. Next way you can make money from crypto is by NFT. If you're an artist, that you can draw, paint, you're a photographer, you're a musician. Let's go to OpenSea. So you can trade arts, collectible, domain name, yes, music, photography, sports, trading card, virtual world. So a lot of things you can trade here. Let's go to music. You can sell your beats here. 0.2 Ethereum. So a lot of things you can do with crypto. The last but not the least is, okay, the second to the last is what we call airdrops. So if you don't have enough financial muscle, right, you don't want to risk your money, and you have time, this one is for you. Come to CoinMarketCap, come to what we call free airdrops. This will tell you what to do. So let's go to this gamer coin. How do I participate? If I just do this and pray that the god of crypto turns his face on me. Of course, if you're lucky, you get some coin, right? Remember that this coin can go up, it can go down. If it goes up, your airdrop makes you more money. Last but not the least is by getting a crypto job, doing it full time. If you're a lawyer and you know about crypto, you can work with a crypto exchange and make some money. If you're a social media manager, if you are a content developer, you're a developer, even HR. Let's go to this site, Morales. Let's go to careers. Let's go to job openings. Kind of crypto job. So I'm looking for back-end engineer. It's remote, can work from anywhere. Tech recruiter. So if you can recruit tech people, you're HR, you can find source for tech talents. That is a job for you. database, blockchain marketing, so marketing role, UX designer. So basically, these are opportunities that exist in the crypto space. So when you hear crypto tomorrow, just ask yourself, how can I make money out of this? Pick one or two area, build your skill set there, and start cashing out. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not fail to like, share, and drop your comments. Also subscribe, click the bell notification and all. Subscribe, bell notification and all. See you in my next episode. Bye.